In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Files and download this app from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, tap on Continue, select Allow, and click on gray switcher next to Allow Access to manage all files. Then select Clean at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!